Now, let us remain upstanding for a closing prayer.
Committee, Professor Daniel Mutendi, the Vice Chancellor of our Principal Secretary for Higher Education.
Allow me to invite the committee of the University's Fund, Dr. Edwin Wanyonyi.
We have councils that oversight us, and we have clear directions even from our ministry on what needs to be done. And it is clear, if one absconds in duty, then you know the consequences. And therefore, those who are absconding duty, the strike is illegal. We went back to court. Last week, again, the court extended and said the strike is still illegal. So lecturers need to come back to class and teach. And if there are negotiations that need to be done, if we have to talk and agree whether the lecturers or the universities are owned 624 million, as stated by SRC, or whether it's 7.9 billion or 7.7 billion, then that needs to be discussed as teaching is going on. So I think it's clear what we need to do and what we are doing as VCs. Yeah, we have asked our staff to come back to class to teach.
Process, and the court directed that the unions and the universities meet and agree on what is owed to the staff. So they have been meeting, and tomorrow we shall report back to court and seek further guidance.